Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Ike let me know that real truckers do not wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops. Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
Real truckers don't wear flip-flops.
We're in Oklahoma City, guys. They have a truck and trailer repair. As a matter of fact, that's one of the ways. Hey, that's what TRC stands for. Truck, trailer, repair center. Just like that. See, just like that. So anyways, so I guess the cat's out of the bag. We're here picking up the truck. And yeah, this is the first time I've driven a truck in 3 years. And I haven't driven a manual in over 5 years. This ought to be pretty interesting. It's freaking hot out here. Freaking hot. I'm just sitting there sitting. It's freaking hot. I ain't got no gloves. I'm getting freaking dirty.
Oh my God, prima donna.
Who am I talking to? Talking to
Prima donna.
that guy. He's a little small.
Oh my God, the Doing Camera Show over here.
This is the terminal manager at Retransport right here.
Channel 12 and Channel 6 Eyewitness News here live on the scene. Mike Stevens cranking some landing gear.
It's been legitimately, like, I'm one of the best backer inners. All right, legitimately I am. However, it's been a long time. It's been a real long time. Before I got off the road, I was off the road, I was driving for Walmart hauling, and I would back into so many dogs a day, and hard dogs too. And but shoot, I mean, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous because it's been so long. Just been so long.
My phone overheated.
Yeah, those iPhones will do it. So I'm gonna straight line it back in, but then I'm gonna go do a U around here and do that. We're just doing kind of a straight line at a little bit of an angle right now, just easy peasy. And then I'm gonna go flip it around and we'll have more of an angle. That's what I'm really concerned about. First, it's just like getting this thing,
You got to get the feel for it.
get the feel for,
Each truck has a different turning
Yes.
radius.
I can't tell you the last time I drove a Kenmore.
I mean, unless you're driving,
15 years?
you're hopping from one Cascadia to the next Cascadia, you know, but
Yeah, a Kenmore, it's been legit 15 years, 2000 something. All right, there's
you got it.
that.
Okay,
Now let me add a little bit of.
And your lines aren't even that crooked. Look, you did a pretty good job.
Yeah, look at there. See, I wish I had the GoPro face. But y'all don't care about what's in front of me. You guys care about me, and it's like, okay, this old guy that's been driving for 20 years, trying to figure out how to freaking do it again. Try not to hit anything.
Goodness, it's been so long.
It has been a long time.
It's been so long.
Try not to put a freaking sticker on the mirror that says go. It's like, okay, I'm gonna put that on there for guys like Ike that done that get out and look.
Oh my goodness.
This is the reason why I ain't parking at no truck stop anytime soon. Because I'm like, nope,
You don't want to end up on your own channel.
don't. There's this guy. You know what? Let me do this all over again. I do not like the way I set up.
Cut! Edit this part out.
This is the reason why I wanted to do some backing drills.
Well, you're doing them live on tape.
Live at, hey, film at 11. Even though the news comes on at 10 here in Central Valley. But dude, like, I'm over here sitting there going, I need to do some backing stuff.
Yeah.
I
did get back in the swing.
because hey, I'd rather just get the feel for it and all that here instead of friggin' right there, that $200,000 Peterbilt sitting there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no thanks. I tell you what, I get into a truck stop, I'm finding me a pull through, like a flatbedder. So look what I did. I just like did it. Here's the thing. In all reality, if you're out there driving a truck, okay, you pick the easiest thing to do. All right. Don't make it hard on yourself if you don't have to,
Exactly.
especially when you're starting. Just when you're starting, okay. Don't be all showing off. I remember I was showing off when I was still a rookie. Got me in a lot of trouble. And I bent up some bearings back there behind the sleeper.
Oh, I did that once too.
I was just showing off.
I touched them. And then one time I was in an International Pro Store. You know how they have that big giant aluminum bumper?
Yeah.
I was backing up and I had just backed up enough where there was one of those concrete poles sticking out, you know?
Yeah.
And it went in between the tire and the bumper and pulled the bumper straight out. And I said, how can I fix this fucking bumper?
All right, so I'm about to leave the yard here. By the way, I'm at the Reed yard, but this shop behind me is TRC, Truck Trailer Repair Center. It's behind the TA in Oklahoma City off I-40 off of Council Road. There's two TAs. This one's off of Council Road. You know, come in here and get your stuff done. Check them out, okay? So anyway, but hey, I'm gonna go do my first load. But for this video, that's it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trucking content, okay? Appreciate you guys watching. 73.